Have you ever watched a reel on Instagram and then struggled to find it again later? You're not alone. Instagram doesn't offer a direct way to check your recently viewed reels, which can be super frustrating. But don't worry, in this video, I'll show you simple tricks to help you track down those reels without endless scrolling. And stick around until the end, because I'll also reveal how to invite collaborators after posting a reel, a feature many users overlook. Welcome to Techful Things, where we simplify tech tips to make your digital life easier. Let's dive in. Let's start with the first method, using Instagram's Activity tab. Open your Instagram app and tap your profile icon in the bottom right. Then, tap the three horizontal lines at the top right and choose Your Activity. Here you'll see your likes, comments, and more. While Instagram doesn't show a direct watch history, any reels you've liked or commented on will show up here, giving you a quick way to revisit them. Next up, download your Instagram account data for a deeper dive into your reel interactions. Go to your profile, tap the three lines, select Account Center, then your information and permissions. Choose Download Your Information, then follow the prompts. You'll get a downloadable file with detailed data, including your reel views. Perfect if you're searching beyond your recent likes. Another proactive trick is to use Instagram's Save feature. See a reel you like? Just tap the bookmark icon on the bottom right. To view saved reels, go to your profile, tap the three lines, and select Saved. This creates a personal collection you can access anytime without scrolling or searching. You can also like or comment on reels you want to revisit. Instagram logs these interactions in your activity, so it's easy to find them later. And if you want offline access, you can download reels to your device. Just be mindful of copyright rules and Instagram's terms of service. Bonus tip. Here's a bonus for those of you who post reels. Did you know you can invite collaborators even after posting? It's a fantastic way to boost engagement and visibility. I've linked a video at the end of this one that walks you through it step by step. Don't miss it. Which of these methods are you going to try first? Let me know in the comments below. I'd love to hear your thoughts or help if you have questions. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe to Techful Things, and tap the bell so you never miss our easy tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.